Okay, we're doing a video today on the STS-1 here at Tri-Tool Technologies. We're going to go ahead and use our saddles and do 1 inch, ½ inch, and then actually we're going to do this really small piece of 16th inch that we'll have to use a sleeve and the 1/8 inch spacer. We're using a Durabit 1 tool bit today, and we'll go ahead and get started and show you how easy this is. So we grab our 1 inch saddle. Tighten the 2 screws. Takes 1 wrench to run the whole machine. We'll grab our 1 inch piece of tube sample. Tighten the knob. Helical fed. That's how fast and easy you can get a square end on your tube. Next, we'll be doing a ½ inch. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll remove our 1 inch saddle. We're gonna place the ½ inch saddle in. Place our tube in, touch it off on the tool bit and just pull back just a little bit. Remove the tube. Burr free, square within 2/1000 end. So we're removing our ½ inch saddle. We're gonna go ahead and put this 1/8 inch saddle in here now and do this really small 16th tube. As you change sizes, you'll have to move your tool bit. We open our safety guard. You can see our tool bit down in there. When we move sizes, you just have to loosen those 2 screws, and then you can move your tool bit that covers the range from the 16th all the way up to 1 1/8 inch, and it will go up to 1/8 inch wall thickness. Removing our tube, and there's our square end on a 16th inch piece of tubing. Now that we've concluded all these tests on our tubing, we'll go ahead and put it back in a case. You can get this with the stand or without the stand. The STS-1 comes with the machine itself, battery charger, an extra battery, and where you can place your saddles, wrench, and a manual.